Legal disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader, or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Well, happy Friday, Flat Earth Trading Society members. We are in the home stretch, trade number 97. What are we doing here? Well, for 96 trades in a row, we have been making random trades with random methods, basically flipping coins, picking a stock, whether it's long or short, and then we have a position management strategy that sells losers and holds winners with no thinking whatsoever. We are proving that you can make money just off of position management alone. It is a Friday, so we usually do something in the news, and today the Supreme Court is wrapping up its sessions. We have had a lot of very consequential announcements from the Supreme Court. I am not here to get into the politics of it, but I figured since we are here with the news of the Supreme Court, let's do something about the law. Let's go look at stocks that are involved with the law or the courts or something like that. So I'm going to put in a Google search, stocks that deal with the law. I guess that's a decent search. Okay, and here we have law firms stock rank list from Swing Trade Bot. So let's take this. Let's take this list. All right, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's make a wheel. We'll spin the wheel and we'll pick that stock. Now remember, I haven't gone through these, so I'm guessing that some of these aren't going to be tradable, meaning that they're not going to have enough volume or their stock price is too low. But look, we're doing this randomly. Oh wait, there's 2 pages. Oh, well, no, these are all the ETFs. All right, never mind. We are going to stick with those 10. These are the 10 we are going to be doing. All right, I'm going to spin the wheel, and whatever it comes up with, we're going to go back. We're going to take a look at that stock. We're going to see if it has enough volume and enough price. If it does, we'll make the trade on that one. If it doesn't, we will start over and spin the wheel again. So number 4. So going back to that list, 1, 2, 3, 4, CRA International. So CRAI is the symbol. Let's put in that symbol, CRAI. Let's go to our settings here. Okay, so volume is pretty pathetic. So 30,000 shares. Yesterday I did 28,000 shares. So this one does not have enough volume. So I'm going to take number 4. Well, that's not going to work. Let's see if I remove 4. There we go. We'll remove 4 from the list. We'll spin it again. We'll see what we come up with. All right, looks like we're going to get number 6. All right, number 6. Let's go check on number 6 in the list. It is HURN, Huron Consulting Group. HURN. Volume on this one is 200,000, 280. Look, we'll come back to this one if it doesn't work. This is on the lower end of what we're looking for, but we'll come back to this one if we can't find anything else. But I'm going to go ahead and remove 6 from the list. Let's keep spinning. Looks like we're going to get number 5. So number 5 on that list was Note, Fiscal Note Holdings. I really should have done some research on these before, but here we are. At first look, I looked at volume and it says, hey, 1.7 million, but I looked at price, $1.45. So we are going to remove number 5. We're going to keep spinning till we get what again, the parameters that we're looking for to make a trade. All right, trade number 9. So the second from the bottom, that is going to be Cogent Communications, CCOI. CCOI, $56 and 400,000 shares. You know what? This is close enough. Again, it's not exactly what we're looking for. You know, high days on this is about 1 million shares a day. It looks like average is about 600,000 but it's a $56 stock, so there's a decent amount of money going through this. This is going to be the trade, so current price is $56.82. Current ATR is at 178. 178 is the current ATR. Those are the trade numbers. Let's go make the trade. One thing I forgot to mention is whether we are going to be long or short. The moving average was tilting higher, so based on our rules, the 13 EMA was pointing higher, so we're going to be long. It is June 28th. The trade is CCOI. We're long. The current price is $56.82. The current ATR is 178, so that's going to make 2x ATR at $3.56, meaning that our initial stop is going to be at $53.26. Position sizing is our next step, and then making the trade, and then we will update all the numbers with the real value that we're filled at. Right, let's grab our account balance. Account balance is $110,159. That's what we're going to put in for our position sizing. 110, 159. We're risking 1% like we've done on all the rest. Entry price, $56.82. Our initial stop loss with 2x ATR is going to be at $53.26. Let's go get our position sizing. It's telling us that we need to be long 309 shares. Let's go buy 309 shares right now. Ticker symbol CCOI. We're going to be long. We're going to be long 309 shares. Let's see. The bid is 56.68. Ask is 56.73. I'm going to go a little bit above the midpoint. That should give me enough time to go in here, attach this trailing stop. Our trail was 2x ATR, which is $3.56. Always check, make sure that's good till canceled. We'll go ahead and enter this order, and we were filled. All right, so the price we were filled at was $56.71. $56.71. Let's update everything. We were filled at $56.71, which now we got all our adjustments. We've already got our initial stop in case this trade goes against us. If it goes against us, our trailing stop will take us out of it. The only thing we need to really think about is if it goes for us, what are we going to do? Well, we've already pre-established these rules. If it goes for us, once we get to 2 ATR in profit, we're going to tighten up that trailing stop a bit. Once it gets to 4x profit, we're going to tighten that trailing stop up a little bit, and we're not going to do anything else. At this point, we are spectators. We have no control at this point. All the control as a trader you have before you click that button. Once you click that button, you have no more control, and anything you think that you say, oh, I should get out now because I'm going to get an edge, is most likely a mistake. It's most likely an emotional decision. The market is really good at tricking you into using your emotions to get out too early. Stick with your plan, stick with your system. Everyone have a great weekend. Goodbye, everybody.